Hello subscribers and welcome back to the first video of 2020. If you're tuning in for the first time, thank you and welcome to my channel Motorzuki. So I had a slight issue, which is the reason why I'm doing this voiceover. I was too excited to get on the bike that I forgot to make sure all my connections for my mic adapter and the GoPro were on properly. So when I went over my footage, the only thing I had was a lot of wind noise, and I apologize about that, and I'll keep that in mind for the future videos. By the time I upload the video, it's going to be 2 or 3 weeks after I actually shot the footage. It's just I kind of got busy, and also having some of those having that week of really nice weather during the off season was nice. So wanted to take full advantage of it, take out all the riding fever out. So this video won't be too long. It'll just be of us riding around the off season and enjoying some of that free riding, and also freezing our hands because it's kind of cold. As you can see, there's still snow around. So please stay tuned for the first official vlog of 2020. Take care and see you in the next video. Thank you.
The red pops so much. It looks so good, yo. Just do it. You gotta get a good polish on it, bro. You gotta get a good polish on it. I'll do it for you.